Yes. You know that 2 table, isn't it? 2 table, in that those numbers we can call it as
Even numbers.
very good. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Those we can call it as even numbers. So remaining numbers 1, 3, 5,
Odd,
7, 9.
odd numbers.
Yes, very good.
Odd numbers.
Odd numbers. Isn't it? You just remember even numbers. 2 table, those numbers comes under 2 table. Those are divisible by 2. So those we can consider it as even numbers. Except remaining those we can consider it as odd numbers. Through 2 table, you can write 22 table easily. 22 table. Okay, look at here. So this one you just write down in your rough notes. I just explain first. Okay, listen first. 22 ones are how much? Then 22 twos are.
44.
Wait. 22 threes are.
63.
22 fours are. 22 fives are. Then 22 six are. 22 sevens are. 22 eights are. 22 nines are. 22 tens are. Yes. So easy tricks I just give. Today we just discussed two table, no? That's why. So you know that 2 ones are 2. So here we just repeat that number 2 times. Because 2 is repeated 2 times, no? That's why. 2 ones are how much? 2. It means we just again repeat one time. Okay,
22.
2 times. Yeah. 2 twos are how much?
4.
4.
4.
You just repeat that one 2 times. Then 2 threes are how much?
6.
Yes, just repeat 2
6.
times. 2 fours are?
8.
8.
Yeah, 8. Up to that same rule. So next means 2 fives are how much?
10.
10.
2 fives are 10. So 2 fives are 10, no? So 1 plus 0 how much? 1 plus 0?
1. 1.
Yeah,
1.
1. Okay, 2 six are how much?
12.
12.
12.
Then 1 plus 2?
3.
Yes,
3.
of course, 3. Here. You can observe. Okay, next. 2 sevens are?
14.
14.
1 plus 4?
5.
5.
Good. 2 eights are?
16.
16.
6 plus 1?
7.
7.
2 nines are? Good.
18.
18.
8 plus 1?
9.
9.
Yes. 2 tens are?
20.
20.
2 plus 0?
2.
2.
Yes. You just observe here. First you just write the value. 2 sevens are how much? After you just add, then you just put in the middle. You will get the 22 table. It's easy. This is the tricks from my side. It's easy, isn't it?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Very easy to remember, isn't it? You can write down this one as per in your notebook. One time, just write down rough notes or homework book.
Ma'am, I completed writing.
We have finished.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, it's completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes. All of you, Sindhu?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Good. Yes. So next, software we already discussed in the last class.
Ma'am, we
7.2.
finished 7.2.
7.2. Second main, na?
Ma'am, we
Third
have
main.
completed till 7.2 third question first main, ma'am. Now we have to start second.
Yes.
B, ma'am, B.
Ma'am, we have to
Third
start
main, B question.
ma'am, we have to
Yes, ma'am.
start
Third
C
question,
question,
B.
ma'am.
Yeah.
No, ma'am, we have to start C question.
Yeah, it's okay, it's okay. So, as per only how to solve. Into, plus, like this. You just solve here. So, I just start with B. Okay. So, first just write down the question.
Ma'am, your screen is
Five.
frozen.
Now, still,
No,
Ma'am,
ma'am,
your
it is still
present.
frozen.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it is showing the 22 table.
now,
Ma'am, now it is clear.
yeah. So, 5, 6 by 7. So, next what we have to do? You just multiply these two. It means 5 into 7 after plus 6 divided by 7. Sorry. 7 5s are how much?
35. 35.
Ma'am, 35.
35.
Yeah. 35 plus 6 how much?
The 41.
41 divided by 7 is the answer. Is it easy?
Ma'am,
Just write down.
ma'am,
Understand?
Yes,
you
ma'am.
given this already.
Yeah, it's okay.
Ma'am, should I write this up?
Yes, ma'am?
Ma'am, should we write this again?
You already wrote means don't write.
Okay, ma'am.
Completed now?
Yes, ma'am.
Others?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Completed now. So next question. 2 5 by 6 is equal to 2 into 6
6
plus
plus 5.
5 divided by 6. 2 6 are 12
12.
plus 5 divided by 6. How much? 12 plus 5?
17.
Yeah. 17 divided by 6 is the answer. Write down.
Ma'am, for the D question, ma'am, you can say anyone to do it and then they can say the answer.
Once again.
Ma'am, for the D question, you can you can ask anyone to solve and then they have to say the answer.
Yeah. Yeah, all should solve now.
Ma'am, for the D question, can you ask anyone solo?
Yeah, this one is completed now first.
1 minute.
I have to solve. Ma'am, completed.
This is C question. So those who are completed C question, you can solve D question. 10 3 by 5. D question.
Ma'am, it is easy, ma'am. We have to multiply the denominator by 2. 2 into 6 is equal to
Ma'am,
12.
your
And we have to
ma'am, I can't hear you.
Oh, I got answer.
Yes, good. So C question is completed now, all of you. Yes, Yuvraj.
ma'am.
So all those who are completed C question, no. So you can solve D question in your notebook.
Ma'am, I solved.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I solved. Sir,
the
ma'am, answer is 53 by 5.
Ma'am, can you ask anyone
Ma'am,
individually so that
Wait,
they can
wait, wait,
answer?
wait.
denominator is
All
numerator is 53.
53. Yes, Yuvraj, just explain. Steps you just explain. Okay, you just tell, I just write here.
Into
Yeah.
5 and 10 into 5 and we have to add 3.
Plus 3. Yes. Divided by 5. Isn't
Yes,
it? Yes,
ma'am.
tell me the answer. Yes, next step. What I have to write here? Yes, tell. Next step. You just multiply and tell the
Ma'am, I got the
yes,
answer.
very good, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes,
the answer is ma'am, denominator is the 3 and no ma'am, denominator is 5 and numerator is 53.
You just tell like this. 53 divided by 5. So this is the answer. Very good. All of you got this answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes. So all of you all next problem.
Multiply 10 into 5 and
Yes.
plus
So wait,
3
wait.
is equals to
Ma'am, next time answer is 60.
3 by 5.
Ma'am, next one answer is
Yes,
66 by
yes.
7.
So I just asked to one student, please, ma, please, 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 please. Okay,
Ma'am, answer
all you
is
should
66 by
answer
7.
here. Don't worry, don't worry. I just asked everyone. Okay. Yes, Harivardhan. Steps, tell ma. What I have to write here?
Inside bracket 9 into 7 plus 3
Okay. Next.
and
Divided by
ma'am, so is equals to 63
9
plus
sevens.
63 plus plus 3 divided by 7
Yeah.
is equals to 66 by 7.
Yes, very good. All of you got this answer? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Those who are not done, please write down this one. So next problem, Mahantesh, be ready.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, your voice was breaking.
Now,
Ma'am, now it is fine.
okay. Is it completed, all of you?
No, ma'am.
Make it fast. Complete it.
Ma'am, completed.
Yes, good.
Mama, mixed fraction to improper fraction is very easy, ma'am.
Yeah, easy. Easy, ma. Yes, completed now this one, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So yes, Mahantesh, tell ma. Tell the steps.
Ma'am, I got the answer, ma'am.
Very good, very good. After you can check the answer, ma. Wait. Mahantesh is here.
Ma'am, he joined and he left and joined again, ma'am. Now he is there.
Yes. Mahantesh, tell ma. Steps. Tell the steps.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 8.
Yeah.
Plus 4.
8 into 9
Plus 4.
plus. Yes,
4.
next.
Ma'am,
Divided by.
72 plus divided by 9.
Wait. Yes. Yes. Next step.
72 plus 4.
Yes. Divided by 9. Next step.
76 by 9.
76 divided by 9 is the answer. All of you got this
Ma'am,
answer?
I got the same answer, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, very good. All of you, just write down.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have
Ma'am, I got the
completed.
correct answer.
Good.
Ma'am,
So
I
next,
completed, ma'am.
yes, ma, yes, good. So next one I just saw start. So this one completed, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good. Okay, so next one I just start. Listen carefully. Equivalent fractions. Look at here. So you know that. So here, yes, tell me this one fraction, Gargi. This one in fraction, just tell.
Ma'am, which one, ma'am? Ma'am, 1 by
Yeah.
2.
Why?
Ma'am, because there are 2 parts of the square and one part
Where we
is
have to
shaded.
put total number of parts where we have to put
Ma'am,
denominator
total
or
number of
numerator.
parts in denominator and which is shaded, we have to put in numerator.
Very good.
Ma'am,
Very
can
good.
I
Yes.
tell you second figure, ma'am?
Wait, ma. Sindhu.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell ma. This one in fraction. Yes.
Ma'am,
You know that. Yeah. Very good. 2 by 4. Very good. Yes, sir. Yuvraj, tell ma this one.
Yes, ma'am. 3 by 6.
Very good. You just observe, all of you. So in the denominator, we are putting the total number of parts. So above numerator, we just put shaded part. You just observe here 1 by 2 here 2 by 4 and 3 by 6. Numbers here rising, but the space is same. Same, no? Isn't it? Space is same, no?
Yes,
Isn't
ma'am.
it?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, it means
Ma'am, the
these
denominator
fractions
is
we
2
can.
table.
Yeah, wait. I just explain and all. Wait. So these fractions we can consider it as equivalent fraction. So this fraction, how we can find out? It means you just multiply this one by 2. It means 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. You will get this number. So next you just multiply 3. So 3 this one again multiplied by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Understood? So it means here one number means you have to find out. For example, I just show now. Yeah. Here you can observe here. Look at here. So equivalent fractions means these two are equivalent fraction. How we have to find out? This means first one is there now 1 by 2. You just multiplied by 2. Why we have to start from 2? Because 1 by 2 is multiplied by 1 by 1 is you will get the same answer. There is no changes. So that's why we just start multiplying and dividing by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So these two are equivalent fractions. So next fraction I have to find out means what we have to do. So 2 is completed after 1 by 2 is multiplied and divided by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. 1 by 2 equivalent fraction is 3 by 6. So so many equivalent fractions you can find out. 1 by 2 you can multiply and divide it by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Here 1 by 2 is equal to 4 by 8. Because you just divide 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are, you will get the same answer. So that's why we can consider it as equivalent fractions. Understood?
Ma'am, for this 1 by 2, can we divide with any number?
Listen carefully.
Ma'am,
You don't.
I have a question, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Wait, I have to first I
improper.
just solve. I just clear Gargi doubt after I just ask ma. Wait. So listen carefully. So any number is here means you can't do just divide. So you have to multiply and divide. Why? So two ones are get cancelled. You will get the same answer. It is not affect to this number. Try to understand multiplication and divide. Both are friends. You can do at a time means the value of this number
Ma'am, to
does
find
not change.
equivalent fraction, we can do only multiplication and division, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I
Yeah,
tell
multiply
something?
and divide only.
Hello,
Multiply.
ma'am, can
Look
I
at your.
tell something?
Yes, ma. Wait. You just multiply to the numerator and multiply to the denominator. Same value means you will get the same number, equivalent fractions. It's clear? Yes, Yuvraj, tell ma. Yuvraj. Hello. Yuvraj, can you hear my voice?
Yes, ma'am. Wait, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I will tell, ma'am. Ma'am, improper fraction means denominator should be small and numerator should be big. Unlike
Yes.
fraction means if we add denominator should be same, not unlike.
Unlike
No, ma'am.
fractions, we already discussed it in the last class. Like fractions means the denominator value is same means those we can consider it as like fractions. So different means these we can consider it as unlike fraction. Understood? So denominator value is same in different. For example, I just show now. So 1 by 2 here, then 5 by 6 here, then 3 by 7 here. You just observe the denominator value, all are different. It means these comes under unlike fraction. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So in the same manner, so 1 by 2 here, 5 by 2 here, then 3 by 2 here means these we can consider it as like fractions. Like fractions you can add easily, but unlike fractions, when you solve the unlike fractions, you must take the LCM. So that concept will come next. Okay. You will learn in the next one. Next. Clear? Is there any doubt in equivalent fractions now?
Ma'am, and to find
No, ma'am.
equivalent fraction, we should find HCF, right, ma'am?
Where, ma'am?
Ma'am, to
HCF.
find out the equivalent fraction, ma'am, we should find HCF, right, first.
No, ma'am. To find the equivalent fraction, you can just multiply 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, any numbers. So how many equivalent fractions you want? So those numbers at sometimes it means many 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times. So how many equivalent fractions you need, then you just multiply and divide, you will get the same answer. It means equivalent fractions. You just observe. So this one you just write down in your notebook. To find an equivalent fraction of a given fraction, you may multiply both the numerator and the denominator of the given fractions by the same number. Just write down this one. And also along with this one, example, here to here. Here they are find out 1 by 3 equivalent fractions means, so they just start from 2. You just multiply to the same number to the numerator and the denominator. Here also 2 is completed, next 3 3, next 4 4, next 5 5, 6 6, 7 7, 8 8. Those values are equivalent fractions. Understood?
Yes,
It's
ma'am.
clear now? Yes, just write down in your notebook this one.
Ma'am, should we write
Completed.
the Rajni says that equivalent fraction of 1 by 3 or should we write that also?
Here to here, ma. You just write down as per. It means he is
Ma'am,
going to find out the.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma.
Ma'am,
Good.
completed.
Yes, good. Yes, completed this one.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm writing the 1 by 3 into 3 by 3.
Yeah. Write down. Write down. Write down.
Ma'am, I am writing denominator of the given fraction by the same number.
Yeah, ma. Write down, ma. Complete it fast.
We have to write 1 into 2 is 3 into 2 is equal
Yes,
to
right.
2 by 6.
Ma'am, I
Yes, ma.
completed
Write down.
writing.
That one example also you just write down.
Ma'am,
Okay,
should we
ma'am.
write? Ma'am, should we write? Do
Ma'am,
you
completed.
agree with her? Explain. Should we write that also?
No, ma. Here. This much only. Don't write this one.
Ma'am, I did not write that. I just asked.
Yeah. You can find out the equivalent fractions to these numbers. Right now,
Okay,
fast.
ma'am. Ma'am, like one in what you told to write no, ma'am. So should we always start with 2 by 2 and then 3 by 3 and then 4 by 4 like that only we have to start,
Yeah.
ma'am?
Start from 2 only. Yes, ma.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I got the answer for the first one.
Yes, good. Then others, do it fast.
Ma'am, for the second one also, we have to start from 2 by 2 or 3 by 3.
Yes, of course. Every time where you are going to find out the equivalent fractions, at that time you just start from 2 mark. 2 by 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, like this. Go. Read fast.
So for
Why
the second one,
okay, why squares are there? Is there any information, Gargi?
no ma'am.
What about Sneha?
Ma'am,
Huh?
she said she will not attend.
I can't hear your voice properly. Yes, ma?
Ma'am, she said that she will not attend it soon.
Okay. Then you just inform to your friends. Okay, there is no holidays in my tuition. So online class, you just inform to your friends. If they are interested,
Ma'am,
means
we
they can
have
join
to
the
do
class.
ourselves try these problems, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma.
ma'am, is it 5 by 9 or is it 8 by 9, ma'am? The fourth question.
5 by 9, ma. That is 5 by 9.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I solved all the question of try these.
Very good. Yes. Sindhu, make it fast, ma. Yes, sir. Sindhu, yes, tell the equivalent fraction, ma. 2 by 3 here. Next one. You just multiply this one by 2. Fast.
Ma'am,
Next equivalent fraction.
ma'am, should I say the answer?
Wait, ma. She is there or not? Sindhu, I just ask everybody. Okay. Sindhu, are you ready?
Ma'am, she's in mute.
Yes. Okay. Gargi, tell ma. Tell the answer.
Ma'am, it is 4 by 6.
4 by 6. Next. Next equivalent fraction. Tell ma.
Yes, ma'am, 1 minute.
Yes,
ma'am.
Harivardhan.
Ma'am,
Harivardhan. 6 by
8.
8. Wrong.
Ma'am, shall I
You
tell?
just multiply. 3.
Ma'am, shall I tell?
Ma'am,
Wait, ma'am.
6
Wait.
by 9.
6 by 9. Yes, Mahantesh, next fraction.
Ma'am, 8 by 12.
You just 8 by
8 by
12.
12.
Very good. Next fraction.
Next is
Yuvraj.
10 by 15.
Yes, ma'am. I will tell ma'am. Ma'am, 15, 10 by 15. Then
10
12
by
by 18.
12 by 18. Yes, any number you can find out. Okay, this is the first one answer. Easy now? Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So in the same manner, you already find out all these problems and just do practice. Okay, next one. Find the equivalent fractions to 5 with the 6 numerator. How is it possible? 6 numerator. Yeah, 6 numerator means you know that. So 2 by 3, 6 numerator, 2 by 5. Numerator you want 6
Ma'am, it
means
means
how much you are going to find
threes
multiply.
are 60.
3.
5 twos are
3.
5 threes are
No, 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 no. No, ma. Here I want to, numerator is 6. It means 2 just multiply. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are. So 3
Ma'am,
you
it
just
is 6
multiply.
by 15.
6 by 15. Yeah, good. Like this you just solve. Yes, so write down this one problem in your notebook fast. So
Ma'am, I
here
completed
how
right
much
now.
you are going to find out, multiply. Yes, it's completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
So next one. Here you just observe with denominator 7. It means what we have to do. 7 means you just
Ma'am, you have to
observe here. This is
multiply.
the question. No, 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 no. This is the question. You
Ma'am,
just
here we
observe
have to
here.
divide.
So here you can multiply or divide. Left
Ma'am,
to you
divide,
people.
ma'am.
So here I need 7 means. So how much you are going to divide?
Ma'am, 5, ma'am, divided by 5.
Yes, very good. 5
35
ones are, 5
divided by
sevens are. Then here also you just divide 5. 5 ones are, 5 threes are. 3 by 5, 7 is the answer. Understood?
Ma'am,
You just
if we
write down answer.
multiply, we will get the same answer, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. So you just write down this much only. Here to here. Then
Okay, ma'am.
this one, here to here. Write down. Either multiply or divide. So equivalent
Completed,
fractions means you just multiply only. Okay? Yes.
55 divided.
Completed, ma'am.
Good. All
Ma'am,
of
we
you?
have to write this.
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am.
Yeah.
I'm writing 35 divided by 5. That's
Yeah. Write down. Here to here. Where I mark no. Where I marked no. So that one you just write down.
Ma'am, completed.
Ma'am, I also completed.
Ma'am, can you repeat again? Because your
Shreya, now only came na. Shreya, now only
yes,
came
ma'am.
na. Why ma?
Ma'am, it's 40. But
Why? I already started from 4 no. 4 to 4:45 class timings. Why you are late?
ma'am, I thought it's at 3 and
I just messaged no. Yesterday only I just inform. Every day my class timings 4 to 4:45 ma. I just asked to Gargi only. Why Shreya is absent? Isn't it? Please attend the
Yes,
class
ma'am.
regularly, ma. Okay, don't miss the class. So I already started this one. Page number 12. Equivalent fractions only I already
yes,
started.
ma'am.
So recorded class is available, okay? After you can observe whole class. Don't miss, ma.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So you look at here. So next one, equivalent fractions. Here you are going to, yes, wait. All products are equal or not. Yes, this is very easy. So both are equivalent or not. How we have to find out means you just cross multiply. It means 1 by 3 here, no? Look at here. So those two are equivalent fractions, yes or no. How we have to find out means you just cross multiply, like 1 into 9 is equal to 3 into 3. Just find out the value.
Yes,
9
ma'am.
ones are 9. 3
9.
threes are
3 is
9.
also 9.
Both are equal, no? So it means both are equivalent fractions. Write down. Write down.
Okay, ma'am.
Is it easy?
Yes, ma'am. Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Yeah. Yes, good. Who's that exit already left? Sindhu here. Mahantesh.
Page.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I completed it.
Good.
Even me,
All of you
ma'am.
completed? Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yuvraj, Shreya, Sindhu.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, others. Sindhu and Shreya completed na? Is it completed? Is it completed? Sindhu and Shreya.
Completed, ma'am.
Yes, good. So next one, how we have to find out? I already told no. So you just cross multiply. It means 4 into 35 is equal to 28 into 5. So you just find out the answer. 4 5s are 20, 2 carry, 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 2, 14 is equal to 5 8s are 5 8s are how much? 40.
Ma'am,
5 2s are 10. 10 plus 4, 40. So
40.
both are equal. It means this one is the equivalent fraction. Write down.
Ma'am.
Understood this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, are
ma'am.
you doing an interesting fact?
One more time. Yes, ma?
Ma'am, are you doing interesting fact?
This table
Hello,
na.
ma'am.
Wait. Yes, ma. I'm here only. Wait, ma. Yeah, this table only. Interesting fact only. It means is it both the fractions are equivalent or not? That one only I am telling. Understood? So remaining problems you can solve at home. Take
Also is
time.
equivalent fraction because if we multiply 1 16 is 16, 4
Yes.
4 is 16.
Yes, good. So then here you just find out the value, dash value. So you just find out this value. It means 9, how much the 63? Yes? 9 sevens are 63. Then 2 sevens are how much? 14. 14 divided by 63 is the answer.
7.
Understood? So like this you just solve at home. So up to that. So in the next class I just start simplest form of a fraction. After I just start 7.3 exercise. Okay, so today we just completed the 7.2 exercise and introduction to the which one? Equivalent fraction and explanation about equivalent fraction. Okay, so you just observe. Shreya, you just observe the recorded class, ma, don't miss. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
It's
So my
clear.
class timing every day 4 to 4:45. Don't miss the class. Okay, then those who are already paid the fees, okay, good. So Shreya, this month fees you just pay, ma. Gargi already paid, Harivardhan paid, Yuvraj also paid. Okay, and also you just inform to your parents, like your friends sons or daughters, like their names. You just inform all over Karnataka state and CBSE 6th standard any student is available, it means near to you, means you just inform to those students they can join my classes. Understood? English medium, that's it. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Bye,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes. Bye, take care.
Ma'am, is it first standard available? Available?
Fourth standard, no ma. No ma. Fourth standard, no. I'm not doing that one.
why
Only online class is available. Only online class is available for sixth standard only. Offline class start from LKG to 10th standard. Tuitions I am taking offline. But you are in Bangalore, no? So that's why I am taking only sixth standard online class. If any student is available, it means near to you, means you just inform. Clear?
Ma'am, the standard students.
No, 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 no.
bye,
Sixth, I
ma'am.
need.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay,
ma'am.
bye. Take care. Yes,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Bye,
Bye, bye,
ma'am.
bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Have a nice day,
Okay.
ma'am.
Thank you.